So I had a mentor when I was broke little kid cruising around my yellow JCPenney's bicycle in Boulder, Colorado, picking up dog poop, pulling weeds, and I just wanted to learn about business. I just wanted to learn about sales. I had a mentor sitting in his office, taught me a lesson. His name was Bill Kitchen, and he was writing a check that day. And he said, hey, Matt, I'm writing a check. I had a question for you. $17,447.39. What is that? Is that a lot of money? Is that a little bit of money? By the way, this was like 1988. I was like, that's a lot of money, Bill. Wow. And he was like, that's what you got to realize. It's neither. You know what it is, kid? It's $17,448.39, whatever the number was, right? It's not a lot of money. It's not a little bit of money. It is what it is. So when you're presenting these monster quotes, a $50 million quote, how do I get around sticker shock? The way you get around sticker shock is you quote this, and by the way, Jake is in your exact same world. Jake's doing some huge projects too. We had somebody from Boeing, I don't know if they're on, they're selling jets that are 4 times that cost, right? So you have to get in the habit of not looking at this through your lens or your checkbook or your budget. It is what it is. The problem is there. This is what it's going to cost to solve the problem. Just be cool, calm, and collected when you deliver a number. Now, hey, I don't want you guys to have a sticker shock. It's 50 million, right? It needs to be based on everything you told me and based on the configuration. I've added everything in there in order to complete the project on time and have it exactly configured. We're at $52,471. Does it make sense to move forward with the project? Right? The same way, if you go listen to these aircraft, even some of them that don't make it, I have never heard a pilot. I've never heard it. It might exist. I've never heard a black box recording of a nervous pilot. Right? What was the guy? Sully, right? Would you like a runway at Teterboro? Negative. Would you like a one-way at LaGuardia? Negative. Would you like to turn? We can go to any unable. Which engines are out? Both engines. We're going to be in the Hudson, right? This is how you have to deliver big numbers. The same way Sully delivered the information to the tower that his ass was going to be in the Hudson with 137 souls on board or whatever that number was. How many souls on board? 137. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and I'm going to give you $300 right now to close more deals. Click the link in my bio or here, and I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. I'm covering all the costs for you. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. I'll see you in the closing masterclass.